Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to get your account back on PrizePicks. Now if you have deleted your account but you want to get the same account back and you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So make sure to watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now before that, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Now to get your account back, you need to simply follow the steps. Now this is the PrizePicks account, so if you have installed the app, then that's good. If you have not installed, go to App Store on your device or Play Store on your device and simply install the app. So after that you may click on it, and if you already have an account, try to log in using the same email or the password. So click on the email section and type in your email, and if you remember the password, click on the option of password and enter the old password which you have kept for your account, and click on the option of sign in. So if you do this, and if your account has not been completely deleted, then they will sign you back to your account. So if the account has been deleted and you still want to get back, then you need to open Google Chrome on your device, and here you need to click on the option. You need to search prizepicks.com and go to their help center. So here you'll see various options like rules and FAQs, setting lineup, payout and all. Here you'll also see the option of verification and all. So you need to click on the option of live support, and here you may also join their Discord and you may also chat with them from here. So click on the option of chat, and you may also go on message where you have talked. If you have talked with the help center before, then you will see right here. If you have not, click on the option of get started, which will be at the very bottom. Here I have talked with them before, so you need to simply select the option which says account or something like this if you have talked before, and if you have not talked, you need to simply click on the option of please connect me with me now. And now the representative of the PrizePicks will talk to you, and you need to just tell them your either like you have deleted your account but you want to get back that. So here, after talking with them, they will help you to recover your account back and you will be able to use your account back. So that's it. That's how you can get your account back on PrizePicks. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.